Bible verse for reflection 1. Psalm 56:13. For you have delivered my soul from death. Indeed, my feet from stumbling, so that I may walk before God in the light of the living. Reflect on the Bible verse and how it relates to you and how you apply it to your daily life. I share my experience with this verse. I know that God has been guiding me in my life since I was born. He was with me all the time. I recall that during the delivery of the second son, there was some complication. My second son was delivered very fast and easy. My doctor asked my husband to take care of my second son in another room. My doctor could focus to help me to expel my placenta. It took a long while, around 45 minutes, to expel the placenta. It was so painful that I used the gas to reduce the pain. Due to taking in a lot of Entonox gas for pain relief, I was unconscious for a moment. My mind was wandering off. I recalled that I was like in my dream. I went to Hawaii and I saw sunlight and beach and a lot of people dancing around me and welcoming me. Suddenly, I got back my consciousness. I woke up. And I saw myself going back to my body and saw the ceiling of the room. I remembered that I told my doctor, I come back. The doctor told me that I was away for a while and came back. The doctor said that she was so worried for me. If there was another delay in the process for another 15 minutes, I would have bled to death. I was lucky that the placenta could be expelled manually by the doctor, who was so patient and loving with me and by my side. At that moment, I was so grateful that I was alive. I thanked my doctor to save my life. It dawned on me that life is so precious that I could not afford to lose it. It motivates me to share my experience and support with all the pregnant mothers on earth. I thank God to be there with me and give me life. I have a mission in my life to share my experience, knowledge and skills with others so that more people will benefit from it. I wish and pray for all the pregnant mothers to have safe and easy delivery with the loving guidance from doctors, nurses and God. Amen.